the lower part we have the 3 ultrasonic sensor array, and the middle part we have the another 3 one, and the top we have the another sensor. So we will be dividing the whole region with a different frequency zone. So whenever the obstacle comes within that range, so it will detect automatically and it will produce a sound selecting from the frequency zones. Let us say the object is present here. So the frequency, because it's in a middle zone, so the middle frequency getting selected, and it will be transferred to this earbuds to the visually impaired person's ears. So we have used the ESP32 inside the controller for all the controlling commands.
We basically went to Anubhuti Vision Seva Sansthan at Indore in Vijayanagar, and there we had an interaction with partially and fully visually impaired people. We are using wired earphones. We were told that we could use Bluetooth earphones.
Go to market basically brings a very different perspective on our own product. Like when we think of a product, it's very basic and we emboss the different ideas we get from them and we make the complete product. Every item which is going to be applied should be tested first in a individual man. Then you should apply the whole combination, because once you have started applying the whole combination and something fails, you will not be able to debug it. 3D printing mein basically we need to get the clearance of the machine and everything should be like adjusted according to the machine which is going to print the design.
You are having a complete design in the SolidWorks, so it can be directly uploaded in the machine and get printed. So there will be less time consumption.
Not just met new people, but also got to exposure to new ideas and new things.
eYantra for me is like an extended family, getting more technological knowledge. This is like for me a pack of people whom I ask the technological things. More curiosity I have, these people are my source for that.
So I got a lot of learning here. So it's a great opportunity for me, for the lifetime opportunity I can say. It's a platform to upgrade my skills. At the start, we are motivated to do a startup. After completing eYantra, we get a lot of confidence about technology that we can do.
Confidence boost that something what we make can actually be implemented in the real life.
When the review meetings were done, the way you speak and the way you express and the way you present your product, that capability of mine has been increased. Now I'm much better in explaining the things and in presenting the things.
I have a fear of speaking in front of people, so that has improved to a great extent. We were literally shooting those videos during the exam period. Coming here, we had a final submission, so I had to manage everything alongside. When I came here across, I could go and ask people about their ideas, and overall, eYantra was a very great experience for me.
eYantra gives you a lot of exposure. You get to know from everything, like start from technology, get into an internship, that IIT Bombay life that you have dreamt of, then get into seeing the innovation challenges. What are the problems in the current scenario? You need to face those and find out a solution out of that. eYantra gives you an exposure of thinking. Participate in eYantra, any competition, any challenge, you won't regret it and you will gain very much of it.